start off this look, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty and just applying this all over my face. I'm then going in with my favourite matte and poreless foundation in the shade 250 mixed with a darker shade. I'm then going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach and mixed with Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Swan. I'm then taking the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter and just applying this to my cheekbones whilst the foundation is still wet. I'm going on top of this with my Doll Beauty Shine Bright Highlighter. I'm then going in with my Rimmel London Day to Night mascara and applying this to both my top and bottom lashes. I'm then going in with my Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette and going in with a light peach shade and applying this all over my lid. Next I'm doing a thick liner with the Maybelline Lasting Drama Liquid Ink Liner. Then I'm taking a small angled brush and going in with a darker shade in the Huda Beauty palette and applying this on top of the liquid liner. then taking more of that darker shade and taking a denser fluffy brush and just blending this all out along the line. Once I've blended that out, I'm going to go back in with my liquid liner just to make my eyeliner slightly more intense. Then I'm going back in with the Huda Beauty palette and just using the dark brown shade and popping this underneath my eyes and blending it out. Next I'm applying a bit more mascara. I'm just using the Revolution Brow Pomade in the colour Ebony and just doing my brows as normal. Next I'm using my Morphe Bronzing Hi-Fi palette and I'm just adding some bronzer around the contours of my face. Going back in with the Huda Beauty palette and I'm taking that peach shade and just popping this in the inner corner of my eye just to make it slightly more peachy coloured. Then I'm taking my MAC bronzer in Dark Deepest and applying this to the crease of my eye. Also using that same brush, I'm just contouring my nose and then I'm going to pop on some of my fluffy lashes from Ardell. Then I'm going back in with the Huda Beauty palette and just using the dark brown shade and popping this underneath my eyes and blending it out. Then I'm going in with one of my favourite liquid lipsticks from Maybelline, which is the Amazonian in 70, and it is a Super Stay Matte Ink Lip. And then just to lighten this slightly, I'm going in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin. just to seal everything in, I'm going in with a Revolution Pro Supreme Hold Finishing Spray. And then one more time I'm going back in with the Doll Beauty highlighter and popping this onto the inner corners. I love this highlighter, so pigmented and it really gives you a strong highlight. And this is the finished smoky eye look. I hope you enjoyed.